Well, we are. Good evening, everybody. Well, we are. So social media people, some will be also don't better way. For me, te agbe. Yes, so let me slow the beat. Good evening, guys. How na day? A short one to a very short one to Enogi and co. As for me, I break them down with Benin language. I not just join anyone, but any meji me might buy anyone. But the truth is very bitter. Now with a emata or man na mata. Aguanta wama guanta guso gewata mata gima ya temata tete we ya temata emi ya geri ya sebe yana ini na gbo ge ga jebiri yana e wanta na ya gweni o se ni corruption area ya both our land ke makede Nigeria we ya ono se na we mani ni a eteri no gbeso ni abubo no ken corruption the yawa. Everywhere is corruption, spoil everything. Let Atemata wish Atemata. Are they open enough? Atemata no way. All these things will not be like this. Things not for not escalate like this. You understand? But because most times I do go matter no don't cover the truth. I make things spoil well like this. I make things spoil to the core, kaput according to Gemma. Should be realistic when they talk true. You know me, not remove anything for anybody body. Truth is good to say. So Enogi, you might when I'm Enogi because that name is shot that way. You too do my brother. I'm not a man. Fine, 2 million are big money according to you. A 2 million go no one, but it's not enough reason for you to sell your pride, to sell your dignity. It's not it's not enough. It's not an excuse. Can I tell what I will repeat it again. Can I tell what I? Ima won't even magbe or give away no can any run you. But good or bad. We matter than the way do you do say so when it kakabo you do must so when. Because we were fuck up big time. We fuck up a day, my dear. What me backbone? They knew 2 million why pump another phone. Ya later woman can go all of the things on social media people they talk and where they talk and say, my amigo no see it. But there is hope. When there is life, there is hope. You must see that money small. Man, not make big one very unique better never here. We cannot be deceived, cannot be tricked without such money. You can't buy a lot of force with that money for us to cover the truth. Some people, what I was even expecting from you after you even take the money, the 2 roller money, no work better, at least whether they expect after you collect the money finish. You see come on your live video. You go buy beer, buy drink, buy anything with your for your table. You they drink and they talk. You buy meat, buy everything. You they chop for your table. You do live video say, Mona they congratulate me. I too posh, I too much. People they ask you for comment. What did they happen now? Talk to us now. You can talk and say, they say they'll feel by me. They give you the money. Yes, yeah, I worry anyway. If not me be you not for doing. For not collect, if I even mistake collect that money, he give me a so that he won't. You always me go. So we me go ni aze. Emioe. By emioe ne. He betray. Not yet godfather way. Betray. How dare you? You went too far now. We're not really here waiting. What way? What Biania will know why he betray Veriana. Many way up better can go living we at a way me time in it be war. But at you might buy the ya. Will not even move ya. Uma setting. And when I want it to haram me somewhere Veriana. Because you're the open your nation here. With a shame. Look, they will move with Mima. No lawa. Why when no we priceless here? Huh? 2 million on a problem. With 2 million solve the problem where you get for life. 2 million go fit build house for you. Yes, that 2 million is a buy land finish. Yeah, a 2 million is what's that color? Window level. I'll be waiting. Even they talk and now say not be only that 2 million not be only you want it. Now I share activity of now before phone. The man we ya we are telling what I invent bonnet. We ya fe. We are more well this father in a woman igualo. You know, work on this and you want to talk. You went too far, my dear. You went too far. Or to a mwegbe. I don't ya living where we be. Forget that thing. All what we suwek beze. We are what we want. All what we buwe. All what we deliver. Best way we just show you like this. We just show you bumper to bumper red card. Secondly, know your belief. Say for example, a friend who, if it be your wife, if it be your sister, if it be your brother, if it be your mother, if it be your picking self, we go still show you like this. Now the truth, that is called karma. In life, if you do bad or if you do one kind of thing, I escape the thing must come back to you. They feel use your picking to affect you. They feel use that your wife too. It don't be for me. The way they look this matter, priceless. They make price. You know when you're priceless, I be price waiting. If they see give them money now, say why they go, you got money 5 million, 10 million, or 20 million now, then you give her every 7 money, or you when they not that for or be betray way. Yes, of course, it dey happen. Or be betray way. The people say that say come, when you are no that for one or even yakara, no why we no way. Who do you kaka boy day? One of the lane, what that Jesus in now, one of the use many to say the lane. What is money? Money is good. Nobody will give money. We not go take that one are true. But vanity upon vanity, every yaki. Money is the root of all evil. I know nobody will give money not take. But some people will not still take it. Why some will take that money? The person like me will not lie. It's okay. Cannot tell what I will. The men know you only want collect a bullshit. I will collect that money. After all, your woman, you even get belly. So they buy baby things, buy maintain, buy drink, buy things for table. You on live video, they celebrate, they eat and they drink and they say we are celebrating happy birthday, not be knocking with buffy. He passed birthday, I too posh, I watch you home in short. They say, now why they do which game you play? Now you can they say, no be game I pray. I will while I have to rule no. They want close my mouth. Now they say I wise pass there, I collect the money at the end of the day. I no go still join them. The truth must come out. The truth must open. I must tell you the truth. That was what I was expecting from me. That's what for doing. He woke here to me. So he say less privilege in Nigeria. Mayari honia. Whoever Yamaya, Umaya don't look boy. You ya fefe. No ya pay. Have widows be less privilege. Women already boy. Go no ya shut up. Uno maybe ya. Me gwe the mofi go have ya we. Me go pa go so that no making out day by man. No one I go talk to and give me when I bring the money. Okay, why you go to West one post champagne? When we do live video and go know we're working, we celebrate. Oh, we are baby birthday. Where we not be that one far from me too. You can tell they say to do la no it will woman. So when me go ni we ya go panu for that reason. You go ni me wari you were boy day. You woman ya. Mama ya buari over. I mean, come down for her say, go carry go. Say if you don't give me this money, now die you want that. No, I use the church might give me this money for that reason. I go chop the money wella, but I no go still cover for una. I must still open una nyash. The must be done while you have vimpo. Since wa no what you wa never ya o ya mo kesi gie o wa no gele vemboni so that negbe o that dore na make the truth. Why vemboni everybody will relax, everybody will forget. But it can be 10 years, 20 years, almost a year. I really we points in a year with vempo. Our time, the truth will get well. When you have you are not yourself, or you know, whatever, you know, if you try a mistake in a pack medicine, one get will make a mistake in a year where you are poison. You thought the truth, but if not, the thing will hurt you forever. Your next generation, or hurt you, working everybody know the story. How dare you? What you do not good? If person you say no, ni wa ma wa bonwe. My brother, you fail, no wa woman. Huh? Your battle road, where we were young, no ruby, you ever have no really age. You go no come with babe, but on well, another one I see fully self where you do, I know, but then this matter never reach like this, and never escalates to that extent. Say, what do I bear social media, what do I rove you? And the man weak, they say with the man. But what you do so? Not be lie. I will not have one or yan de ba well at the end. Not de by pa. And one not de by pa yan ye bounce because everywhere we have betrayed now. My dear, you can betray your mama like that. Let me tell you more time. You can betray your brother, your sister, your mother, your father. Even that's priceless. Your wife will never marry, so you can still betray her. A person just give you money now. Say take 10 million. You piece for your body. Say take cash 10 million, 15 million, 20 million. Oh, I will betray priceless if you have everybody. Now the truth, we know the story. If you fit do all this kind of thing, when you do so, come betray pa because 2 million. 2 million of money, fine. If I were you, I'd have talking. You will collect that money, take the boss champagne, you take the say nyoing, then go nearly go kill yourself. Well, I go nearly go hang yourself. Now that one can expect for you, both name Monica. Yeah, you to kunoro too. They'll go hang yourself. They'll say, I pray nothing go ever make me betray a part of my person. Don't think we will do. For one even quarrel, no quarrel for other thing. Now that mean they expect for no one even quarrel self. On that thing, and for take quarrel. Not be this issue where you know say the truth. You don't show to the whole world. The whole world already know the truth. Say this thing. Now so it should be say, you toko. Oya adultery. She go do adultery. She go sleep with Papa Wala. The thing show the proof day. Pikin when she born the proof day. Okay, even if the pikin not still be in, if not so, but proof day from Lolo say, Eruwala way. Proof day. If you watch all of video, all of them, you will see and say, there is proof. Why me can't believe Lolo if Lolo can carry Bible, can they swear for live video? And Monica man sweating tomorrow. I won't believe the Bible or preach. I want to believe in Lolo. Me take a believe in Lolo very only. You are not my fan, not my fans. I feel you watch them for Apricot, those kind of things. They do live videos, I don't need to watch them. If I watch them, I reach 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't come out. They don't be my fans at all. Come here, I know all those people where they I don't understand. You know, need this one anymore, but on the anime, like here. Unless someone will be done with here, or I can go to have proof, yes. Proof or yes, everybody are talking about that person. If no one of the social media, we have a okay. No, this thing is not to show good. Or say maybe person you know your carry person picture come out, now your carry person picking come out, now you this one not good now. If now why your comments I'll tell you no boom. I must deal with her. If I don't deal with a pa, I want on the rest. A pa, now the wrong person, now you go meet so. If you son, I'm sorry to say, when you have some of the, if you son, God forbid bad thing. Wishing you son, now we do. If you son, God it a deal, God it a deal. And God na go help una. But I want to let you know that there is God there. And not be only that one. We must see the truth. The truth must come out. We don't already know the truth, but we just want that DNA plus a swearing. We want that. Gele no mwezo gie wanokwa enyo wini. When no mwezo are the court or anywhere. At the end of the day, you shock say the person we carry go court or wanna go. You can't even win you. Yes, it's possible. Your money not fit cover anything everywhere now. Forget that thing. If you like, you get 100 million, 100 billion. You not fit cover. Lie. You guys should not send me message through this phone, I beg. Even if you get 1 billion euros or waiting that they call any amount, the biggest money in this world, you get money passed down, go to self. He cannot close this truth because the truth must come out. If you do have a very big the truth come out, any truth ladia, or when do the truth must come out, good or bad, if devil like it or not. Except say God did not die for our sin. If God died for our sin, if God is the person I serve, the truth must come out. Because why would be? Why me? Why at your How dare you? How dare you? Can you imagine? You come out, you call it pastor. I don't disfather you. Since you know why the money, me hurry in go. Obvious one, me wa. Grateful human being, but not the team. The man they help you. The man say help you. Me see your video come out where I say drive when I come out for camp. Your video come out when I say drive when I come out for camp. And the mark they help you small. Sometimes you say, me, better in this life, with me, you know, no French for this life, or say ragbona, or say ragbona, no friend for this life, for this world. I don't talk about one of my video, no friend though. I passed through some kind, my enemy passed through some kind of stress years ago. I mean, for this country, where I felt dinner, I know say no friend for this life. I felt preaching, I felt talk this matter, I can appreciate it. I say, Eragbona. I see they look people till tomorrow, they say, that my friend believes under my godfather, godson, godmother. Shy. Who godmother help? Who godfather help? Who godson help? Na question. So long as they feed each other, everybody now madam for you, everybody now girl for you. I'm a godson, godfather, godmother. The thing why, the thing they irritates me. It irritates me or son of me. Waiting about Greek Baroro. I'm a godfather, godmother. Me webu 2021 ajena. Muna de shame muna etas. Get where I'm wa goso lowu wagbe. Oh, I must show it, I must this one, God, I must do this one. You don't forget the way nothing they when they do together. Drive car. Now they enjoy, they play music. You join away do this way for people, all those things, many things like that. You don't forget all of a sudden because 2 million, ordinary 2 million, you are too cheap. You want to talk about this, you are too posh. Yes, so 2 million easy. Don't know how me go which posh 2 million? How much be 2 million when you no go now be funny? Me tell we to away 100 million out the year. Here go 2 million in go. You got money in Baba no my phone. Gele my amigo there be a son ami wa gele wa opportunity come but once we are lily be like we boo. Oh no, see you now value 2 million more than your life, more than more than many people. I don't tell you and I go repeat that again. You go see betray you be Judah Iscariot. You go see betray your wife. That price level you make noise for your background there. We have a miracle banner 15-20 million cash. We will deny price level will betray. Not be lying, not the truth. I wash you. And when the book at time and true. Not true. I wash you wife relationship with dog gele 30 years talking about bagale because of boy Viburi. We know the story. I don't want you to talk too much. Me home and no why way. Edi I don't know who ave ya. My way go see. But I don't want you to talk this night. Maybe tomorrow or next I'll do the video. I go do another one. Get on top of your head. They no give because I go mongo a bog be. Betray part because of the truth. 2 million. It say don't know me go near here. I got money. Papa no wa before. Mona try, mona they behave way. Nobody perfect, but anyway, why won't they was on money boom. Where it betrayed, where you betrayed, a priceless betrayal. Where would you go? You are too greedy. Go digger. Can no man now. E que não na rua não nai. O boy vimbi. O boy vimbi. Wina. Pure shetro boy. Huh? I guess I don't buy shetro all of them day. All of them day we hear the story, we know the story. Wakbo say. Mighty and winner. Everyone we jena me veje jemi our borrow be ya winner. Obe wo boy VP. Wakbo say. A dot of barrow arrow egbenu yakbo say. A dot of barrow egbenu yakbo say. Oh boy VP. Oh boy VP. You know na ya winner. Everyone we jemi wa veje jemi na. A borrow be ya winner ve jemi. Our borrow be ma ya winner black work e be ro. I be be ya we. Our bo. Black work day. I be they don't use a be. You they do. It did many places. You sit down for our own live video. They do this thing. A power they look down at fair work. You might when a day. But who me 2 million what dive on a roche and 2 million they don't say where you Papa no wafu. Betrayer Judas Iscariot. They cause the Thursday anybody does say I be betrayer. And so your cause there inside your body, inside your house there. Inside your house. Like your cause there. See the other one still come and say worry are 200 I be 300 in way. Yeah, why you know you have the phone. You have the phone or anything. Why cover no need any adulterous woman? Huh? Why you go ya brabby young in the room while I have fefe na make me want another way. The truth must come out. The truth must open. If you don't like it, you don't go back counter. Not by anything, any power, but by the grace of Almighty God, by the God Almighty that died for our sin. The truth must come out. I say God not died for our sin. Of now if we cover the truth. So I say God died for our sin. Because nobody is greater than God. Now God be the ultimate. The truth must prevail. The truth must come out. Because even now attack be more than 1 month now. What matter? What be you bury? If you do, even if they know, many people don't even do live video, but all of them they pray for inside their room. Everybody they think, God make the truth come out for this matter, because this matter don't get as if don't get. Anyone can get killed, like make the truth come out. I misbehave. Do you worry ya fair live video? Another and it's like another me on all those kind of words that you they talk of those. Even if you see a bite away, they do your wife. It concern you, must you talk. You not get wife. Now your wife, they like they shout, they don't shout. All those will not make sense. They like they not make noise, they make noise at their house. Okay, ya orogu ya do because of which reason? Now their house, if they want to make them do, now you go interfere, now you go stay there. That make you see that nonsense. Make you not care no na ya gwale lawyer or gwale man or ibu no marry or no ga friend no go fight TV en ladia. Or me ya gwalo give viro ban or raw. Pit toilet in raw. Or my gwale solution to the children. Na mwe money. Or see I video or talo with social media. And we are making go in social media. We ma making any go. When you are where we are making go, me mind that make you go. Eruti go me na landia when do agu wagonu dem wata no ro me on me on me na go wagonu dem wata the truth. But you go na be real on this one lao yi wa we na jume yi. E wata ma we 19. Eruti go to wa me na landia social media ni agun. Me wa be get na me mo bo be we. But so once in a week, once in 2 weeks, all those kind of things, because I have a lot of responsibility to take care of. So me, I don't get that time like that. Maybe person they verse sometimes you see talker. Or if you see get advice, you see talker. Everybody delay. If you advise me, if you advise you, that's the way it be. And so God they create this world. Nobody know a pass, nobody perfect pass. Jesus. Oh, nyaka social media big backbone one they make a noise in that. I don't even get common land for Nigeria. Una mama and papa they suffer. Yan kwe mi gaye, kayan fry, yan fry, ya survive in Nigeria. Most of una. But why wa say le why land yan wa do agun why we na be fan Omega. We ipa na we no gunye wa vat eve ya. Ono say agi yoro tie we anybody know we prayer point here. No mi ogogo no ro man I give you testimony. Oh one me mi ogogo. Yes. If I don't understand it, no say no take me at first. When I go to hear where she go to talk, that I go to verse. But then I can understand because some people they are too greedy. Greedy people, greedy human being. Ungrateful people that many people be. That some people be. Because you're a program and they must give testimony. And when I will testimony, here we calling here with Bema okay, can do what him and me say here only give a testimony okay on man 90 only we come I was saguero no. Okay, pa give you this thing now we are talking on my moon come my ya dege ni pana advertise do mu o ye kaya bolo o ye kaya don o wono na mo ma meti bie do mu we dey wash am we dey talk all those things una we no gwalo mo wana boy any manager salopo agbe maru enia by the grace of God we are blessed with children e mona gwi ma di ave ye gbe aran ya owu we problem ve tears iwe onyaga wo le mi ma eve ni Jesu eme no e to we okay o se we no we ya fe no go le hu no wo kan we ya oni won e ya okay don't give a testimony fine one of give a testimony we do go yen we have fat so that agbo we gele believe yen we hu yen wina ofo na wo get on a fake up. I'm not interested in a battle bow because me I don't know whether it not they exist. Now God I believe in, but let's call a spade a spade. I give my matter. More they thought through. More they thought through. See, be say the man give una the medicine, make it do it belly, it shift the belly, make it okay. At least you should do this thing. You should do the what they call what you say when you do the avert. Okay, fine. Even if you don't want to do avert, you call her indoor. But thank you. We say all those kind of things. Am I supposed to be landing with Watalo? Where you know, Imangoku, Eria Mukwa, Eria Wia, Eria Galikino, Eria Arubara, or you with garlic, all those rubbish. You prove don't full social media now say you drink. When I watch Lolo this thing, you say, Una use you too, we carry back way, we are well. You don't use the thing now, say it don't work for another day bombona. Okay, now God get power. But at least it's not enough reason say you know one time can, but not be say you're sick or they deny for social media say not lie. You know, give you fuck up and big time person not tell you may you know that man for my mind me no say tomorrow you still go beggar. You go or you go what it is now. You go have for bank money go so finish. And the worst is the people we go they dine with shit or damn one. Or that one since 3 days, I be how many days now? When I take disgrace to myself, I don't know how I want to talk and it's in they pay me. See the person we go they die with self. Or kagele is soon to boy. Seta incarnate to boy. Or tiger no yotuku. Oh wamio, a matter now wamio toy. Wamio toy awene. That's what she talk. If only that word they low. For you to know how you take die with them, you can go to true accept them. Say yes, me want to buy money can follow I go me, and then me go me. When my girl me go there no gi. Oh boy, be lazy youth. One I any lazy youth there. A Buhari guy I be they don't say you were lazy you were no. One no. What I say in winner. We am you know that very small left away. Yeah, be in the bank. All left away. And we walk into season where we had Jamie Magie. And we got my boss season no don't have maybe Jamie now. We know the story. Except say maybe the going is going way or the man understand that when no one like you gonna I watch my market and we got season here with Nora. Away kid that ghetto. And you know we gonna be no via way yao. You know that bad loyal. You know that mafia or Maria the lion share near for what? Then we go be season wherever. Why watch we will hear this story on social media with the one be man who misbehavior near I go my be we are me go waking here no and we betray who are betray boy did The truth is very bitter. Who betray una amigo? Ale sumo kagele wala be ni money kave ya fefe. Ya you go ya bribe lelo dek ya. Ya you go ya bribe. Akamwa we just tell people say why. Okay, why mona sorry why agree. Okay, no matter. You know ya sunue. For example, yan wan yobe yao a mistake ya no buy kaga no those kind of thing. Huh? I understand. I don't understand, but I'm lele no lele ya. Don't tell you what you see do. I get what do. What do I can when ukba? They care. They na pussy magele wina beni yakai ukba. Ugele wegbe ya tiengbe wa cover de u ya tiengbe. I'm a married woman. Maybe people know say yes, you remarry, say you know be single woman. Or say we can get when we single mother. So when we cover that space, say you be married woman. Sorry guys. When we cover say you be married woman for that reason, I make you know what come out but why again forever. I don't know the live video I can watch the right and say, oh, Ambrose, rest in peace, Ambrose, because you are not living. If you are living, all this matter, if you not keep quiet. Imagine you born which person this I can watch what another. No, than lolo today. Don't forget the person better believe say maybe that lolo. Person can comment put say rest in peace to him like na lolo. Rest in peace to Mr. Ambrose because he's not living. If he's living, setting one very na one why this go work this go nebo ya why this one go work this one go over here. Setting one, but he's not living. He's dead. Only total nyane, and it's true. He's not living. If he's really living, really normal human being, a man, where they live, where get sense, this matter, a man, we don't see the solution since. I mean, wow, without being told now that video we should do, where you can say, no, leave me. I'm tired of this marriage self. If not because of every while, mama, while you want to lose the marriage, no problem. I can write hotel, all those things that one can beg. You don't do that. Sorry, okay, sorry, just take it easy. No, you will not leave your marriage. So I say sorry now. When I not think reason that one not be female. It was confirmed and the man they beg and they say sorry. Because the man, that one shows the man, but I say body not too good. There's something really wrong with him. Then the woman they carry and they go. Then they take off her. They make it a beg and they say sorry. Because anyway, any money can back. On va bien engager ou c'est engager. Or si on a not sorry. On a him yane get back. Or when you bug budu, you go near me social media have here. On know how much they make for social media. Or budu with me. How much should they make? Even if they make money, now you get the money pass. Even if they make money, say the rest people don't go make. Never they make money. One day they go see they make that money in peace, but not be the way they do so. Because I got more going bugbe. Then you go here, you know the chopper in peace. Yes, it's sure for your body. Everybody know the story. We not be say person you wear AliExpress or you wear clothes, makeup, not lie. How cannot go? How distress? You don't like me distress, you forget that thing. If you look at it deeply, even if you make up, you do anything, you go say understand say get stress or not. You just say the money now, you know the chopper. Am I able to see that song? Peace. Now the truth. Forget say you're the open, you can't the talk. Now they do many things. That's when they look cool and say, you know what talk? Huh? This matter, everybody, we must see the end of this matter. We must see the end of this matter. It go reach part 100 this thing. Our mutual is there. People they don't even come out for social media, but they talk. People they don't even comment, but they talk. Me, I don't see these 7 people. I will hear commenting. Yeah, worry, but I will make sure we a matter now mutual. Me aussi as wa very wala. When why bribe the whole world here? You can bribe 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, 10 people, 20, 100. Can you bribe the whole world? Can you bribe God Almighty? You can't for that reason. I don't tell now say unless God not die for our sin. If God died for our sin, the truth must open. We must see the truth of this matter. Because I'm marrying why we hear this so. I'm mad when they do some Benin people, not good. Wa kere me down. What I was born and ma, emi ya ma settle corruption, boy, boy, even wa una, ma say, you know what's past the one way our leaders they do for Nigeria. It was past because the truth will not go like to open now. May everybody for know where the lane where him belong to. Now cover am. Huh? You know, give you fuck up big time. Big time you fuck up, God not forgive you what you do so. And we were anyway, we go see money, we go see money, we not collect the money. And we turning you fuck up big time. God will never forgive you for what you did. You went too far. If you are upon a quarry, me I don't get problem with that if you don't want quarry. If you not quarry, so not going to disgrace yourself for another reason. It's okay. No, no, sabi. There not be this kind of reason and I'm going to quarry for. Reason where part the fight say the truth must come out. A pama he wicked one day. Or we reckon him with PP because of this matter since 1 month. Or the truth must come out. For you to join now, at least only you want the person will still deal with and we're supposed to see join and say, yes, Mario Boyo, the truth must come out. Can I have bribe with 2 million? Why there, why 2 million ya there will be no gear. Tamagbo no ya there. Oh yeah, bribe the whole world. Just say everybody mumu. Can you bribe the whole world? It's a question. Can you bribe everybody? You cannot bribe everybody. You can only bribe some people, but you cannot bribe everybody. And second, you cannot even bribe God. Mabege Tony Sawe aye kiwa. Oni Sawe aye kiwa. Oni so ho. Disgrace almost to ye lawe gbe wa Monica. Oswan lawa gbe ne. Almost lawa gbe. Money wona get what the zoga ga gba inu wa ni Jesus Christ. Assessing God not there for our sin. Where you no now you Bible you have temple. E wan na where what are raw even nota. They said in every nonsense there is a sense. What the Lord they talk, many make sense, many truth day. But when you not can we a pastor, you what for appreciate, or ma get my Bible at ya. Imagine we cut away in the name. A cut satana. A case yamu ye cut, a big case in a cut. Swear Bible, swear any cause we want swear. Go to nene one we are believable. Ugele wati ye boni confirm. E wani se we ti be egbo if you deceive yourself, uye kweri e ponzi e wano. E panoro you make a mistake but there on you regret no say na ye no ye mana what matter cause I gbon wa be wa. Next time now learning then you will not try it again. You know what we or what we say what we feel boy or what we ka o ma geni gele ni yewu ono na ye ma o iye ho iri ono. Come on, go and misbehave because say Facebook monetize you, YouTube they pay you all those things. Mama we give your home. If one of my YouTube be make it then dead, then they talk. Everybody quiet. Ake no phone. Ake no my phone. Oh, ake no phone. Who get money? Who get the money? Will be done. Get house, get this one, they know they talk, the yoki quiet. If they will say I get money, I make money for Facebook for this one, they look and say, hey, really? Now wow, it all say, and come away where you gonna hear me, not go there, no. People you they do anyhow, they do anyhow. Just say, okay, see money, say 2 million, we not go betray person. 2 million is not enough for you to sell your dignity, for you to betray price to that money not rich. Baba no be no come be real be full. That money not rich. Yeah, we need 2 million naira on your wife is a wobo. Or you 600,000 so wobo. You need 600,000 or you betray pa. Head to wife mao. Very on you but with the wash una. Head to wife perfect be very better we wa una. E me wa de by pa. E pa ma so we because Emma enu what about when I see enu we wa we man no gi or to am egbe. I will make boy wagbo. Oh boy, Phoebe, no mama. Sorry, guys. Oh boy, Phoebe. Oh boy, Phoebe, no mama. You made the work, you know, if you work. Whatever the way you know. Oh, one was any wonya. You know, I am muna. You know, I am muna wonya. And if you can't put tomorrow, work your way out. Oh, man, I made them money. You don't have a made, you don't have a resident there. If you try and get a method there or resident there, a government is going to run in order no waka feed. We know the story. Not today. Everybody know the story. Where ya women be, man look at anybody because of women be you want your skipper. If you get paper now for yourself, you don't get that for yourself. Now you know you went enter Europe, you don't know say you go find paper. Fine, nobody carry paper come, but the truth is very bitter. Oh no, you like we no can fight in the paper, na paper be Europe. A bay or a webo. And have boba the motor all of them join, but paper is very important. But if you set yours now, I have vibe where we have a car or a boy every day. So a benny who ben so self akin to akin me, ya we be. Me where ni? Me where? Akin na me, I we be. Why we be? Why have me been why dizzy and okay, yes. You don't know. I bet my people I go so in the last stream, Jerry, I go sleep girl. It might no munya and nogi, especially nogi or go see 2 million, we not go take. What I was expecting from you, as you say, you be wise man, say you get sense, say you go school, I graduated, I go to school, I do this one. Excuse me, I don't want to go school. People will go school, then they know they talk, they make noise. Forget say Europe, when they blast, they change person, education, when they change many things. I don't want to go school. A private school major in Nigeria. About those school, yes school. What the faith? Let me go. If I can go, I bear more reserve. You go school. You go school, you not use brain, common sense, my common. As you see that money, even at Yahweh, if they like me, they go cost. So far, the important thing I go in Vembo, tell them say I go do one. Once you collect the money for you, they bust champagne. If I mean, you bust champagne. They chop meat, suya, tell your woman, make do suya, do all of them. If I don't fit do, I'm gonna go buy. Go do one, go food table where my hair. I would they not soon know what they celebrate, never invite person. I will when I come chop, no worry, everywhere good. You chop and you and your woman, or call one friend, join body around there. Now go they chop, the rest put them for fridge. They go they ask you how far, what did they play? May you just us now, what did they happen? You win jackpot, I be waiting. Oh boy. I mean one here, feel you go quiet and you go mess and now they didn't go because why we not you may. Okay, what's gonna be the matter now when they don't give you the money? What did they play? What did they happen? I will get near my any woo, but I wanted to say I too wise past there. You did life, you the talker. Eruwala. Say how you take give me the money. Just say that small people they deal with. I get sense. I don't feel betray my love for a pa. A pa, I don't think we know. Not be you can't betray. Not be you can't choose you. I can't betray a pa. God forbid. I know they try the money will go chop and they will go a pass tomorrow. If that may be you say you even go meet a pa now, they bust champagne for a pass. They drink, they eat. All of around day. They drink, they eat. Now they do live video. Everybody will they laugh, they clap for and say bravo. Wanna be the best people for this world. Yes, we are Bobonuwa. They told me we wow. Me to be me. It was Bobonu ya share eh. Me to be me. Me to be myself. He call you. We go the account. He call you. He will the account number where any Jimmy no. He will Jimmy buy you too much. You too get sense. You really go school. We measure we yakba. You collect the thing because I true say don't know me go. Next day you need temptation. Yes, but you play with wiseness. Be wise and be vigilant. Egba no one for I know, but yes, you chop the money. Oh, yes, not take can. Not take can or you eat the money, you see joy pa. You ema mie. Uri nini una do ate bonepa. Be ane de already be or be jiwe. I mean, yes, you do. We say 30 years in it. O my say, good or bad. I ain't want him have o ma be ban on for but can not matter what get time. Anyway, man, anyway, pie man. Because of this one, maybe people can't join pa. People will be hating pa. Because what you do, the way they betray Jesus. People they cry, say, how you betray pa like that? For that reason, no, everybody can't hate you. Can't they join a pa? Who they join you? Who join you now? See Monica fans now. Now Monica fans, or if you ever I join you now. Based on say, you want to take favor their mama, their iyo tuku. Then they can't join you. Normal you might be will not join anywhere. We be say it dey neutral, it dey middle. You know if you join you, my dear, you fuck up big time. Normal you might be like us. Mama de buy Monica, mama de buy Lolo, mama de buy anyone. Mama with the middle now tell what I not way because I want that woman want that. That is it. You met try we ni ando ade bawe we meje imi ove e Monica from have de bawe where you gonna hear me say 900 euro na been if you like you say 5 million Igo weird you know Igo na ye gbe no he no Igo na ye gbe anyon wa ya ye no do my no way why we say me but my let here my advice to you call it by your beg and they cry me down you won't have if you feel to why you able to mistake the man will say forgive because that man don't get evil heart like you. Tortoise, ogele wa kenye. When you have joy, tortoise your own. Ogele wa king green under the green grass. He went to where he betray a priceless. You know that where he betray Rotigo. But I want to share this video, made them hear. Make the priceless here, and then you know no. Wait, don't be surprised, don't shock one day say, oh no, go still betray you. Yeah, what you going about 10 million, 15 million, 20 million. I will not yard even your every year or nobody deny we yekun gele no gele pa ya mo hobe ne no must say in a priceless iwe ya fefe e no girl will do the same thing. He go both the children go say government after a government a government pay 1 year a government ba give even so even they save anytime no ya come be message go we ya do me e dey over say life goes on and no me go neke na deny go e no give away I swear e no give away no give go see deny you priceless you see gbogbo na ya gbe yale ya gbe yawo always so gbe enu wa una what you do so it go see reach your body not because it's a prayer boy my take yan say gbogbo na ya gbe yale enu no give una obe mi ono kan we e wa no is vice versa so life be this life is a tongue. The life will be like ball. Or you know a bolly. We are over me. Or the ton be run up do ya de we have de come no we me. E dey cause my having one sober. This life be like ball. It go still come meet no give one day. On one way we no give it be betray. E dey no we no give e no give what be e no run or no give be betray way. No be lie, no be joke. Go and market. Cause you too do. Waiting because of money, your betray person, your commot. Money where you go no why we are boss champagne, who can buy we nyon wala, money can nyon. Now they make jest of them for social media, they cry. You go even play their video, their voice note say the way they give you the money, you play wegele muya. Again, no late in it, wala it away 2 million me, woman 2 million me, agbo ya wona, egbe to fiele. Wala bisan. I want to go gbele ya deri ono yan wo gbele ma oriyan jiyan right now unwe ma no ka gbele ni oriyan ize popo na o si any disgrace na like gbe na e Monica time unwe ma na ho we wa la gbe lo ma e wa no gbe wa ni cover ni unwe ma na ho abu unwe ma no gbele ni ave ya fefe o zero wa la popo na o be zeni ni Monica popo na wa ori igo gay me when come because I go soon end my life straight right now. If you not like una sell una land, una sell una hustle, una sell everything una get to, una take go the bribe. Buy no why we need Jesus Christ. Except say God not die for our sin. Except say maybe omagele well people are innocent or for no nagele buy no. But if you people are guilty of this crime, of this accusation, if you guys are guilty of this accusation, and if God is for real, He died for our sin. Now, like we must find out the truth. We must see by the grace of God. It's your salobo, it's your kodudu, it's your Jesus Christ, it's your Alpha and Omega, it's your mighty God. We must see the truth. God not go shame us. We must see the truth when they watch. You hear people because of money or betray person. They down they talk. Money cannot. I'll bring more money. I'll bring more money come for you. No boy, 200 euro, 300 euro. We be no no ade me. A phone no we ade boy day. But no we no give. You be disgraced to the whole world, to all the men. How can you go and be dining with the devil? You are dining with the devil, and for your mind, you just say maybe the way you war on me. You know you will never hear. I be a bono at the end. You have a disco go away. You have a gear away. And Monica can be a girl anywhere. Buyeke or working with ya. We show way. Wait, after the show, after all these things don't come up for grant, he goes he tell you say, "Come make we move." 2 million kan aya brabi wo no ya this son father way. Una this father way ni we mu omo ave e go my me o boy VB o my young winner lazy youths. He go tell you everything. We know the story. We dey wait, we go hear one maje. We dey watch now, we go dey see. We dey watch you now. We dey watch you now. He go still disgrace you. You will see. Nonsense people. Make we move. And you're the fool on yourself, the disgrace on yourself. I don't want to use that name, say, na so we or those kind of things. Huh? I don't want to use that word. When we want to call you, we are home in Rome, we are home in Napoli. You know how many people don't call? I don't say no woman perfect. No woman. I know no woman will never. Many women don't do that work. I know. But this is how you talk. Like say maybe she be your fan. No make her the way continue to cause a pa. A pa wife good or bad. A pa wife I ain't gonna be or be running a bill. I'm not going any be again. Why go rove you every year fair. Because why me if we were meaning the woman for why me the man for. Yeah, wa look here. Wa look here. Have it. Kind human beings who can't be a no gay, a kind human being, a very kind human being that you be. Just because of money, wa picture of do attack with you no way. If you say money, you not go collect. Who go say money you not collect? Look at how you are. You're rich. $2 million. So buy your pride, buy your dignity. If you say money not collect, why you go collect her? Fine, even if you collect her, you know if you use brain, you know if you dey wise. Collect the money, see come out for social media. They boss champagne, they tell Eruwala ko Monica ko say nyoi. You go na ya worry you modomi why go bo. Now I send that for my account. I know if you shot. You they boss the champagne, you they chop everybody will they clap for you. You will see view where you get that day. Everybody go they worship, people go they congratulate you, they call you, say you mock him. Or mock you where say you are a real person, you are a real human being. You really fight for the truth. You are really fighting for the truth. Or mock him, you see, but people go even see dash you money, clean money, when they go dash you, who you are not this year money, when they will give you 2 million, 20 million. When they will give you both money, funds, they'll give you who you my brother. Who you why any over here at the end of the day, no peace and call. But clean money, even if now 1,000 euro they give you, and a clean money. You go chop that 1,000 euro, like say they chop 10,000 euro. You don't know. But on clean money, even if that 20 million or 20,000 euro, I pray, you go there, ask yourself, as they eat the money, you say, hey, wait, too. After I don't finish the money, don't eat and finish, you say, hey, you go now, yeah, I will save. I don't understand. You go now, yeah, you go not devil. Money not devil. Money not good thing. Money not still bad thing. You chop on clean money. You know, go see what you take do. Young boy, but money will be clean, money will good. Even if now 1 naira, you get you a be no and where I will know out there. But on clean money, I pray, make it be 100 million. When we are neck water, which I use this money to do, my God, which I take to Jesus. You never come across that kind of thing for your life. Hey, we know the story. We don't fair pass through all those kind of things. Not be today. Don't take. You don't take. So walk as in you never know how far for life. You never go far. You never go far. Agbondimi, Agbondimi. E que não mais se a mais que se va. Que não mais se o mais de que se va ye. Not believe like now you dey on top. Say I too posh. I too much. I go school. See what you go do. I bet my people make I live on Nigeria. Say, I go relax. I don't see talk and small right now. So I go see talk more again about this issue because the issue get be. Or if I don't see talk about the issue, I feel see change my topic, but depend on the way the spirit leads. You understand? So I only verse and say make I see talk before this matter. Because person phone one blow because of this issue. Issue number if we talk. Instead of it will be solving, move they solve and then they solve. They say they bring other issue, they join. So that make the matter for cover. Cover. May God strengthen by the Murphy. Make it say to talk this matter. You know, we are the one who I don't know for that one. If they say go, we'll see everything, they don't know. If not true, say one of what here, may go answer their call. Remember what me say, well, say maybe you're 4J because I see what some kind of live video they thought in a lie. Not be true now. Those chief now they bad they do now. Those chief, when I go talk to those chief, they bad they threatening them, say when they come or one or what those kind. Am I na hen jaji wo egbe wo me? Person don't know what he can't believe. You get the hotel ye piri. Or in a television no matter clear why piri. Jesus. Why not just come for those talk? Because I know why you shook my mouth for what I'm not supposed to shook my mouth put. They made you why you talk now by no gay you fuck up big time. Now your believe say that they congratulate you. You are a disgrace to me, a disgrace to the world. How can you say your pride, your dignity got 2 million? Fine, you are not supposed to collect that money, but even if you still collect and use wisdom, use brain, collect the money and use it and chop her. Eat and well. Tell the man say, I know they do what you send me. Because you be evil person. You are Monica. I know they do that thing like lie. I know if you betray my godfather because of that thing. My godfather is fighting for the truth. So that truth, I join him with that truth. I know they betray. You go in and put down up, I put down. So don't put down, you don't enter voice me. You don't enter voice me. You they chop meat, they drink champagne for their for social media. Everybody they clap, they congratulate you, they call you. People they tell you say yes, good son, good boy, you too much. They go even send money, self daughter say enter you too much. They belay you, but they give you special say you too much. Ekwe and a disgrace or enter you while and Monica body. Don't they talk like that? Say ekwe lying bene. Now so you supposed to do one, but you don't do one like that. You they talk, they say posh. I collect 2 million, like 2 push, but who posh help? Which kind posh? 2 million how much? You have 2 million here for. Papa now be phone. Do all boy wagbon moja. Ekwemu oboy VB. Oboy VB. Oboy VB o imotai. Oboy when you VB wina lazy youths. When they body high. Nana be. Oboy VB. How are he? I really go for no what I too posh. Which posh? How much be 2 million we not go finish? Hey money mama. There is God though. There is God. Almighty God go the ask of all of us except say God will create heaven and earth. Almighty God, they see all these things. Except say they see them, but if they read they see them, God will create everybody, create the whole world. God will die for our sin. The truth must open. We must see the end of the matter. The truth must be prevailed. We must see it by the grace of God, not be our power. But now God get power. I'll see whether I get power past God. I'm making a head work, making so salobwa. When they use charm and both while I use a bow, if you are walking where you are quick Monica. Or why ye bow, you was ya doing the matter dig we don't fair year already, we're already tired on your way. As then was so much in matana, and you know why hide there. We don't fair year, we know they fear those ones. God, now we know God pass una, God pass all these things. Except saying God not die for our sin. If he share his blood because of us, the truth must prevail. God must open our nyash. We must see the end of this issue. We must see how God will deal with una. For which una they do so. Now that one I can talk, I rest my case. Good night, everybody. See you again. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to share this video. I beg when I share and like and share. Share me then see ya. Share me then see ya when they get sense, when they receive sense. I got my go and bugbear. Share. Make it no get see ya. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Good night. Bye.